Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Ledger Flex. To set it up, first of course power it on by pressing and holding the power button. Once that's done, tap on the screen, then tap again, and tap again. And this video will show you how to set it up without any app, because it can't be easily connected to the app later, so I'll just record videos on how to connect it to an app, but the setup can be done without an app because it basically is the same thing. So let's just go further. Now set up without Ledger Live, because I'm gonna connect it to both apps later. Now I'm gonna skip Ledger Live. Then you can set a name for your Ledger Flex if you want, so I'm gonna do that, but of course it's not needed. Then I'm gonna confirm the name, tap to continue. Tap to continue, and now you need to choose your pin, and you can see that the tiles for the pin shuffle each time you enter the pin. That's for security reasons, of course. That can be disabled in the settings, but I'd leave that enabled if you don't have any problems with it. Now you'll need to re-enter it, tap to continue, and now you can choose whether you want to set it up as a new ledger, which means that it will generate a completely new wallet, and that it will create a recovery phrase that you'll need to write down, or restore it from an existing recovery phrase if you have one. And for restoring, there will be a video, although you can just do it without the video as well. And I'm gonna be setting it up as a new ledger in this video. So let's click on that. Then I'm gonna tap to continue, and there will be 24 words shown, and it's very important that you don't share it with anyone, because once you share it with someone, they will have access to all your money, because that's how it works. And I'm explaining more in a video on how to if you can use the same wallet on two different devices. Yes, you can. Once you have the recovery phrase, you can enter it on as many devices as you like, and they all will have access to the same exact assets. That's why it's so important not to share it with anyone. Don't take a picture of it with your phone, especially if it has or will have access to internet, and write it down on a piece of paper in a room that doesn't have cameras. So it's very important, and don't lose it, because in case you lose it, then if something happens to your ledger, then you won't be able to recover your wallet. And if you have the recovery phrase, and if you lose your ledger, then you'll be able to easily recover it. So that's great. I'm gonna click on add and send, and I will show you these recovery phrases, but only because I won't be transferring any money on this account, and this is the only reason why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'll take a picture of it, but as I said, don't take a picture of it, and simply just write it down on a piece of paper. So it's not digitized, because if it's digitized, then having a cold wallet doesn't make any sense anymore, because if your wallet doesn't have access to the internet, but your phone, which has the recovery phrase, has access to the internet, then it doesn't make any sense, right? I'm gonna make sure I've taken all the photos, but you should make sure you've written everything down. Then click on start confirmation, or if you clicked on see the words again, that means that you should really write it down, because once you verify the recovery phrase, you won't be able to go back and view it again. And now you'll need to select which word was first, then which word was second, and continue until you finish all the 24 words. So I'll get back to you shortly. And now it's confirming my recovery phrase. Yes, it is confirmed. Let's tap to continue. Now it gives you a reminder that it's for your eyes only. Don't share it and don't lose it. And now it's set up. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.